good, there's some bad. Just want to warn you before you watch the whole video. I'm not sure where you're at in your life cycle, health-wise, age-wise. Not sure when you decide to sit down and recap with 2025 and your journey. So just wanted to warn you before that. In March of this year, we found a beautiful home that we ended up closing on here in Delaware. It was one out of 3 homes that you've seen, and you can picture yourself living there, and you guys made it happen. I wonder if you're still living in the same house. I wonder if you're still in Delaware, you know? I wonder where you are, because your kids dream big, and you as a dad have always wanted to be like, hey, if you want it, we could do it. And that's why we're here in Delaware. We wanted more. In May, Lucas graduated from high school. That was super exciting. It's like we took him to Florida just to do high school. And as soon as he was ending school, we were in the process of moving. And then in June, we moved to Delaware. It's crazy because the first 3 weekends we moved into the house, we weren't even in the house. We were up in New Jersey at my in-laws. We had so much going on. Jay got invited to be in the Puerto Rican Day Parade with the Puerto Rican flags up, float. I got to march alongside her while she did that. That was exciting. That was a moment we got to share.
New York City!
New York City. We're here. 2025 Puerto Rican Day Parade. Flags up. Let's go. I also rode up the GSX-8R. I rode it to Harlem. I rode it in Manhattan. I had a good time riding in the mountains in Patterson. I had a good time this summer. Something that I didn't have in summer of 2024 because I was recovering from a heart attack. Some of you know, some of you may not know. 2024, Lotus Emira, we got a car. Let's go. Yo, I could fit in this thing compared to this thing. I could finally fit in this thing. Drake is what? Who's Drake?
Stitch,
oh, Stitch, like her. And then we got Missy over here as...
She's Jessie.
Jessie from Toy Story. She's looking cute, isn't she? Where's Bino?
Bino, come here.
And Bino.
Come on.
Ah, look at him. Woody from Toy Story. Isn't he supposed to have like a hat on or something?
Yeah, but he was going crazy. He was freaking out.
How beautiful this lake is. This is in Smyrna. Como or something like that. I don't know. It's beautiful here. I'm not even sure if I'm allowed in here, but December we thought about restarting, recharging for 2026. So we wanted to spend our first Christmas and New Year's in the house, and that changed. I don't know if some of you may or may not know, but my mom passed last year in December 15, 2024. And that was hard on me, you know, because a lot of the childhood memories resurfaced. A lot of stuff that I thought I had worked through resurfaced, and I had to work through that. You know, I rode my bike a lot this summer just to kind of get some wind therapy and kind of just be in a good place. I spoke about it on certain videos that I was kind of struggling mentally with some of that stuff, you know. I think everybody will go through something when the person that pushed you out, you know, passes. And I did. But by the end of the summer, I felt great. I was 100%, you know, and I did not see what the end of the year was gonna bring. It was so out of left field. And it's like the timing of it, you know. We get towards the end, and I mentioned that my in-law's dog passed away.
Hi, sweetie.
We had just added our dog. That was a crazy moment in time. I was like, damn, out of nowhere, my in-laws are going through that. Okay, December 15th, this year, my mom's 1-year anniversary. My wife and I are in the hospital with my in-laws because my mother-in-law had been feeling sick. It's hard to say it. She was diagnosed with stage 4 pancreatic cancer. Big blow to me, man. It's just, I'm like, why is that happening? I was just feeling so good about my mom's passing, and now I'm dealing with this. So that's the sad news, bro. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know how you're feeling about it. I don't know how much time has passed by since you've seen this video. If you even remembered that, I don't know. You know, I don't know. But yeah, it happened. And it's sad. It spread to her liver. And she's fighting for her life. They're treating to prolong. Nobody wants to hear those words, bro. Treating to prolong. Not to cure, to prolong. That's the reality of life. So that's where we at. That's it. Life's too short. Enjoy it. Don't be a piece of shit in life. All this stuff. You see this? Materialistic stuff. Won't take it with you. So that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video.